Hi guys, it's 55771 here. Today's video is opening box 2 of Hellblazers. Today is the 27th. No, it's not. It's the 29th of October. Sorry. It's 6:30, and I'm going to open this now. Pretty cool. If you haven't seen my part 1 box of Hellblazers, please go and watch it. I did pull The Shining, or one of them, which is awesome. I'll put a link on the screen now, so if you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. I'll try and do this video a little bit quicker. I have just been looking on Poker Beach at the scans. I am missing a trainer, I think it's a heavy ball, and I'm missing a hollow, and of course the full arts and an EX, I think, and another Shining. But let's hope this box is right. Tell you what I'll do as well. I will check pack number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pack number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think it was 14. Number 4 and 16. I'll check them first. Trying to get this done quickly. I'll probably not show everything, because I know you guys have already seen all this. Right, we have a Rolls. Cool. Nothing decent in that one, which I'll have as well, so I only want the EXs now from this set. If I do get duplicates, I may be just keeping them, unless somebody offers a trade for the ones I need. I've no idea what that's called. Daramaka, sweet. No idea, and one of them, and a semi-sage, cool. So that was pack 4 and pack 16. Right, so I'm guessing I shouldn't get a full art or a Shining in these. So I think I'm guaranteed to 1 to 3 EXs, but we'll see. Wigglytuff, sweet. Really sorry about the lighting today. It's a bit crappy. It's been really hot today as well. It's been like 26 degrees, and it's like the end of September, which is crazy. Right, we have Bronzor, Growlithe. Pansage, I think. Oh, nice. What is that? That is an EX, but it's a full art. Sweet. Oh, so that's that theory gone out the window. I didn't think I'll get a full art, but I guess this is nowhere. Cause I only check the 4th and the 16th packers, because that's what I got. I got 3 full arts out of 4 boxes when I opened the red collection. That's where I'm getting that ratio from. So obviously that ratio doesn't correspond with this set, but that is epic artwork. I love that card so much. Looks awesome. Absolutely awesome artwork. Really like the gold outline, you know, cool. Epic, love it. There'll probably be no worth me while opening these now, unless I need. I think I do need another EX. I think I only pulled 2 yesterday, because I can't really remember, because my memory is shocking. But I think there's 3. Is there 3 X's in this set? I'm not sure. Well, I'll just open the rest of them. Pretty cool. I do need a trainer. I think it's a heavy ball or a dusk ball or something. Awesome Raichu. Nice. Alright, Pikachu. Sneasel. Jigglypuff. Another one of them guys. Cool. Stantler. It's absolutely boiling today. I've just come back from the gym as well, so I'm absolutely sweating. Right, so we got, I have no idea. Darmanitan. I did realise I didn't know why he was that colour for, and as well he was psychic because he's normally a fire type. I just think he was trying to take a poop or something, but now I know because he's in Zen mode, or I have no idea what that means, but it must be. I think somebody said it was to do with his health. When his health's low, he just goes into that mode, and then I don't know, he becomes psychic. Lapras. We have a Ralts, no idea, Growlithe, awesome Zapdos, I'll be keeping that, sweet, Trainer and one of them, nice, Gardevoir. I'll be keeping that. And a Weavile. Cool. Out of the other boxes, I really do want the Mewtwo full art. So I think that's one of the best looking cards ever. Darumaka, love that Pokemon. Pidove. Forgetting his name. Powdon. Semi-Saiya, sorry. I think about halfway now, guys. Still no EX. Apart from that full art. Right, we have. That's the only holo I need, is what he evolves into. I have no idea what he's called. So I need that holo still, and I've got a EX, I think. And I think I pulled that yesterday. I can't remember. Yeah, I did. I did pull that yesterday, which is awesome. So I may just keep this unless somebody offers any of the cards where I need from this set. Should be awesome though. Right, we've got Wigglytuff, no idea. Cool. I really want to pull that holo where I need, and that trainer card, that dusk ball, or it's a heavy ball, I can't remember what it is. It's one of them. Awesome Pikachu. Cool Beans. Sneasel. Rilo. Arcanine. Sweet, keeping that. I've no idea, some sort of trainer card. I was debating whether to get another 6 boxes of this, but I really don't think it's worth it. Not because I just think that the rarity of the shinings, I think it might be just easier to buy them than try and pull them out of boxes. Wigglytuff, Ralts, Chandelier, I think he's called. Obviously somebody commented his told us what he was called. Awesome. Epic Lapras, nice. Really like that Lapras card. It's well nice. Right, we have a Rilo. Tranquil, I think it's called. Dealing. Yes, that's what I needed. Needed that. Cool. I'll put that aside because I'll put that straight in my folder. No idea. So all I need now is from the commons and uncommons is that heavy ball or dusk ball or whatever it is. I think it's heavy. Right, we have Dealing, Tranquil, no idea, and what's that? Oh, double. No, I thought it was something on the card there. It looked a bit funny. Weavile, sorry. Right, we have 4 packs left, including this one. I'll probably get this video up tonight because it only takes us, what, 15 minutes to upload a gig video. Right, I've no idea. Jigglypuff, awesome. Lucario, nice. Because I do have, that's why I got my new camera, because I do have new broadband installed. My current download is about 39 meg per second, which is awesome. And my upload is just over 9 meg per second, which is awesome. And before, I don't think I wasn't even getting I think it was about half a meg download I was getting before, and like a third upload. Right, we've got Bronzor. I always get them two mixed up. Growlithe, no idea. Looks some sort of jelly. Another one of them guys, and another Raichu. I really want that ball now, that heavy ball. Right, we got a what's he called? I really can't remember his name. No idea. Fungus, I think it's called. Yes, that's the ball I needed. Cool. I'll put that aside because I'll put that straight in the folder. Lapras. No idea. Bidoof. Pansage. No idea. And another Raichu. Right, I'll tell you what I will do, guys. Sorry, my arms will just look like incredibly long. I'm stretching over. But I will just go over my pulls. Whoa. Let's go over my pulls a second. I'll do all my hollows first. Right, we are one of them. Cool. A Lucario, Chandelier, Arcanine, Gardevoir, Zapdos, and another one. And guys, I'll probably trade that if anybody needs it or wants it. And then obviously I pulled that other hollow, was one of them. I have no idea what he's called. I'll keep them aside. And the EX I pulled was Regigigas, which I pulled yesterday, I think. So if anybody has the other EX, I can't remember. I think it's Groudon, the other EX, but this is the full art version, I'm guessing. Yeah, because it's a super rare or secret rare, whatever you say. And of course, I pulled this full art. It's awesome. Love the red and gold there and the black. Very sexy cut looking card. Right, I will start rabbiting on. So yeah, guys, the first 2 boxes were absolutely awesome. My next video will be tomorrow, and I'll be opening box 1 of Psychic Drive, sorry. So yeah, so I just say thank you for watching and support and everything, and I'll see you guys later.